Hello friends, in yesterday's class we have seen toolbar, what is toolbar and how we can place a toolbar into the form. So we have already discussed that actually the toolbar will not be visible in the toolbox by default. So what we need to do, we have to insert a toolbar into the toolbox. So how it can be inserted? It can be inserted by right clicking on the mouse button in the toolbox. That means right click the mouse button in the toolbox. You will get a pop-up menu. In the pop-up menu, you have to select components. So it will open the components dialog box. And from that dialog box, you have to select Microsoft Windows Common Control 6.0. Then click on OK. So now the toolbar icon will be seen in the toolbox. Now you can just drag and drop the toolbar icon onto the form. So after inserting the toolbar icon onto the form, you have to change the name and align property as follows. That is, set the name property as TBR toolbar and align property as VB align tab, so that the toolbar will be displayed at the top of the form. Now you have to double click on the custom property. So from the figure you can see that you will find the custom property. You need to double click on this property. So now after clicking on this custom property, you will get the dialog box which is as shown below. So this is the dialog box when you click on custom property. Then select the button tab. So from that you have to add the caption for the buttons. And first you need to specify the caption for the first, then click on insert. That is, go to the insert button. Next, if you want to insert one more button, means again you need to specify the caption, then click on insert. Likewise, you can insert the buttons as many as you want. Once it is over, you have to click on OK button. Then you have to add an image list control to the form. So this is the image list control which is available in the toolbox. Just you can drag and drop the image list control on the form. Now you have to select the properties of the image list, then double click on the custom property. So this is the properties windows of the image list, and here you need to click on the custom property. So when you click on the custom property, so this is the dialog box of the custom property, and here you have to select the image tab. So when you select the image tab, you will get one button called insert picture. So when you click on the insert picture, it allows you to insert the pictures. So you can insert the picture as many as you want. Then click on OK. And lastly, we need to connect the buttons as well as images into the toolbar. So again, you have to open the toolbar and go to the properties window. In that you have to select the custom property. So in the custom property, again you are going to get the three tabs: general, button, picture. So buttons we have already inserted. So in the general, select the general tab. There you will find the image list property, and in the image list you have to select the currently created image list, that is image list 1. Next, go to the button tab, and here you need to connect the buttons with the images. Therefore what you have to do is just you have to click on image. So if the index is 1, then assign the image as 1. If the index is 2, assign the image as 2. Likewise, you need to link the index with image. Lastly, you have to click on OK. So this is the Visual Basic 6.0 IDE, and from the toolbox, in the toolbox you can observe that there is no toolbar icon. So the first step is what? You have to insert the toolbar icon into the toolbox. That is, right click on the toolbox icon. You will get a pop-up menu. So in the pop-up menu you have to select components. Then this is the dialog box of the components, and from here you have to select Microsoft Windows Common Control 6.0. So this is what I need to select, that is Microsoft Windows Common Control 6.0. Click on OK. So now you can see the toolbar icon in the toolbox. So just drag it and drop it on the form. Right? After inserting the toolbar icon, what you have to do? You have to change the name as TBR toolbar. It is not necessity. If you want, you can change the name. Otherwise, keep it as it is. So already the align properties, VB align top. You can also display the toolbar at the bottom of the form, left and right. So usually in every Windows application, toolbar appears at the top of the Windows application. Therefore, I have selected what? VB align top. Now go to the custom property. So when you double click on the custom property, you will get the property page dialog box. And here you have to select the buttons tab, and in the buttons you have to start inserting the buttons by clicking on insert buttons. So here you need to specify the caption for the first button. That is, here the first button is new, and if you want to insert another button, that just you need to double click on, you have to click on insert button. So now I'll insert the button as, insert button, specify the caption, that is open, and for the third I'll give you as save. Right? Then after specifying the caption for the buttons, you have to click on OK. If you want any changes in the toolbar, again just go to the custom property, okay. Now I have specified what? The buttons for the toolbar. Next thing is, the second phase is you have to insert the image list. So here I'll insert the image list. So when you insert the image list, just go to the custom property of the image list. And in that you have to select the image tab. So when you click on the image tab, it will allow you to insert the pictures. So here I will insert the pictures like this. So how many pictures you want, you can insert those. Right? Here you can also change the count, or you can also change the index from the picture. Here you will find the index of the image. So for this one we have 1, and for open it is 2, and for save it is 3. If you want to remove any of the image, then you need to select the image and click on remove picture. Okay. Now click on OK. So still you are not able to see the images on the toolbar, because we need to connect the toolbar with the images. That is, go to the general tab. In the general tab you have to select the image list as image list 1. Then click on OK. So after selecting the image list 1, go to the buttons tab. And now you have to link the image with the button. So here image 2 is for open and image 3 is for save. After linking the images to the button, click on OK. So this is what the toolbar which you can see on the form. So now when you run the application, you will see the toolbar like this. You can also specify the height for the toolbar icons. So still, if you click on any of these icons, you are not able to execute any of the code, because I have not written the code for these icons. So which will be illustrated in the next lesson.